This tutorial discusses the procedure for retrieving Securities and Exchange Commission corporate filings from Bloomberg Law. Through Bloomberg Law, you can access EDGAR, the SEC's electronic data gathering, analysis, and retrieval system. EDGAR is a database of publicly filed documents and includes companies' annual 10-K reports, S-1 prospectuses, and many other types of corporate filings. To log into Bloomberg Law, go to bloomberglaw.com and enter your username and password in the login box. If you have not yet set up a Bloomberg Law account, you may do so by clicking on Register for a Law School Account on the left-hand side of the screen and filling in the required information. You may leave the activation code box at the top of the next screen blank. Once you're logged into Bloomberg Law, click on the Transactional Law tab, and then choose EDGAR under the Search heading. The basic search fields available are Form Type, Exhibit Type, and Exhibit Title. Additional search fields are listed under Company/Filer Information, including name, ticker, location, etc. To start, let's say we're searching for all 10-K filings filed by Google since January 1st, 2009. 10-Ks are annual reports required by the Securities and Exchange Commission. From the EDGAR search page, begin typing 10-K into the Form Types field and select all EDGAR 10-K forms from the drop-down menu. Then type Google into the name field. In the filing date field, click on the arrow to activate the drop-down menu and select Date Range. Click on the calendar to the right of the word From and select or type January 1st, 2009. We will leave the To field blank, which will automatically select the current date as the To value. Finally, we'll click the Search button to see our matching results. Next, let's say we want to find all insider filings filed by Bill Gates in connection with his Microsoft Corporation holdings. From the EDGAR search page, begin typing Insider Filings into the Form Types field and select All Insider Filings Forms 3, 4, and 5 from the drop-down menu. You should now see All Insider Filings Forms 3, 4, and 5 below the Form Types field. Next, type Gates into the Name field. Next to the Role field, click on the arrow to activate the drop-down menu and select Reporting Owner. This will return filings for any reporting owner with Gates in the name. Click the green plus icon to create a new space for adding an additional party. Type Microsoft into the newly created Name field. Next to the Role field, click on the arrow to activate the drop-down menu and select Subject Company/Issuer. Finally, we'll click the Search button and see our matching results. Finally, let's try searching for a specific type of document rather than a specific company's filings. Let's search for a code of ethics for a health services company. From the EDGAR search page, begin typing Health Services into the SIC Industry field and select Health Services from the drop-down menu. We could also click Browse next to the Industry SIC field and select the same option from the category tree. Begin typing Code of Ethics into the Exhibit Types field and select Codes of Ethics from the drop-down menu. You could also type Code of Ethics into the Exhibit Title field. However, since filers are not required to label exhibits, your search results will be limited to those exhibits that were labeled. Make sure to select Exhibits Only from the Forms and Exhibits field. Finally, we'll click Search and see our matching results. This has been a very brief overview of searching for SEC filings on Bloomberg Law. For further assistance with Bloomberg Law searching, please contact one of our UC Hastings Law Library reference librarians at our reference desk or by telephone, chat, or email.